I'm Jefferson Graham with your Friday photo tip, how to get photos from your camera to Instagram without having to email them to yourselves. Now, if you're like me, you love taking photos on your smartphone, but you always prefer doing them on the camera. My best work is on my camera, and I hate the fact that I have to upload them to the computer, then email them to myself, and then download them, and then get them to Instagram. I have a better way at the computer using the Safari browser on Macs or on Windows. Let me tell you how. Open the Safari browser, go to Develop, enter Responsive Design Mode, and from the drop-down menu, select the first choice, iPhone and iOS, and you will see basically a replica of your iPhone on the computer. See the plus sign on the bottom? Just click it and upload to your heart's content. So for more tips like these and others, please check out my latest class at KelbyOne.com.